police. Uh, the thrilling personality of the school, Principal Srimati.
Prize distribution.
Running competitions, first class, boys. Pratita Reddy. Vishnu Teja, second prize. Ahmed, third prize. Girls, Afia Fatima, first prize. S. Sanjana, second prize. K. Ritika, third prize. Frog jump, first class, boys, Ahmed, first prize. M. Srinivas Reddy, second prize. Prerit Reddy, third prize. Girls, Dania, first prize. Ritika, second prize. Afia Fatima, third prize. Frog jump, second class, boys, R. Vamshi, first prize. M. Arun, second prize. M. Vishan, third prize. Chandravesh, first prize in running competition, LKG boys. Running race, second class, boys, T. Mauryavardhan, first prize. M. Ajit, second prize. B. Sai Surya, third prize. Girls, A. Aarti, Pratika, second prize. D. Meghana, third prize. Frog jump, third class, boys, M. Sriman Reddy, first prize. D. Sripath, second prize. H. Anu Shetty, third prize. Girls, O. Shirisha, first prize. M. Srija, second prize. Sweta Priya, third prize. Running competition, third class, boys, J. Kranti Kumar, first prize. Mohammad Zakir Hussain, second prize. C. Anup Kumar, third prize. Girls, K. Srija, first prize. O. Shirisha, second prize. Sharwani, third prize. LKG frog jump, first prize, Chandravesh. Running competitions for fourth class, boys, MD Alimuddin. M. Pranay, second prize. M. Hemant, third prize. Fourth class girls, S. Sumalata, first prize. N. Sindhuja, second prize. K. Sindhuja, third prize. Frog jump, 4th class, boys, P. Shiva, first prize. M. Rajkumar, second prize. U. Ramakant, third prize. Girls, R. Lippy, first prize. S. Sumalata, second prize. P. Harshita, third prize. Running competitions, 50 class, boys, G. Pramod, first prize. K. Sai Kumar, second prize. H. Dhanush, third prize. Girls, N. Maunika, first prize. Adi Lakshmi, second prize. Sada Firdaus, third prize. Frog jump, 5th class, boys, D. Chetan, first prize. K. Sai Kumar, second prize. N. Vishal, third prize. Girls, N. Maunika. G. Adilakshmi, second prize. G. Nishita, third prize. Thank you.
Thank you, madam. Now I request Mrs. Geeta to give and invite winners, and I request Perdappa Garu to give the prizes. This is for juniors and sub-juniors. At the same time, I request Madam Prabhaji, take an initiation to clap for our kids. Please, I know that you are a good leader.
Good evening, everybody. I'll announce the intramural competitions for volleyball juniors and sub-juniors. I request Shri Naini Paridappa Garu to give away the prizes. First, winners Kundan, B. Satish Kumar, 10th A3 captain, S. Nageshwar, 9th A1 vice captain, M. Kalyan Bahadur, 10th A2, P. Shrikant, 10th A3, N. Narsa Reddy, 10th A3, G. Limbagiri, 9th A2.
అమ్మలు మీరందరూ కూడా కొట్టాలమ్మా.
Once again, winners Kundan, B. Satish Kumar, captain, S. Nageshwar, vice captain, M. Kalyan Bahadur, 10th A2, P. Shrikant, 10th A3, G. Narsareddy, 10th A3, G. Limbagiri, 9th A2. Runners, Pankaj Group, B. Rajiv, 10th A1 captain, M. A. Ratim, 9th A1 vice captain, C. K. Ganga Reddy, 10th A2, M. Hemant Reddy, 9th A1, Y. Sumit, 10th A3, K. Mahesh, 10th A1. Volleyball junior girls, winners Kundan, A. Rajita, 10th A2 captain, P. Anush, 9th A1 vice captain, Priyanka Sharma, 10th A2, A. Lata, 9th A2, M. Priya, 10th A1, G. Mrunalini, 10th A2. Runners Champak team, C. Kalyani 10th A2 captain, K. Preeti 9th A1 vice captain, K. Lahari 10th A2, Grishma Patel 10th A1, A. Grishma Rani 9th A3, G. Sri Lakshmi 9th A1. Kabaddi Junior Boys, winners Pankaj, B. Rajiv 10th A1 captain, M. A. Rahim 9th A1 vice captain, C. K. Gangareddy 10th A2, M. Hemant Reddy 9th A1, K. Deep 10th A3, K. Sumish 10th A3, P. Manat 10th A1. Runners Pushpak, P. Rajesh 10th A2 captain, K. Avinash 9th A3 vice captain, B. Sunil Kumar 9th A3, V. Vishal Preetham 10th A1, K. Rahul 10th A1, G. Praneeth Chandra 10th A2, V. Sharat Chandra 10th A1. Kabaddi Junior Girls, winners Champak, C. Kalyani 10th A2 captain, K. Preeti 9th A1 vice captain, K. Lahari 10th A2, Grishma Patel 10th A1, A. Mamata 9th A2, A. Grishma 9th A3, B. Sandhya Rani 9th A2. Runners Kundan, A. Rajita 10th A2 captain, P. Anusha 9th A1 vice captain, Priyanka Sharma 10th A2, A. Lata 9th A2, Lubna 9th A3, G. Mrunalini 10th A2, Binu Yadav 10th A1. Kho Junior Boys, winners Champak, Y. Shritam 10th A2 captain, B. Dilip 9th A2 vice captain, A. Ganesh 9th A1, G. Vineet 10th A2, M. Preetham 9th A2, D. Charit 10th A1, S. Abhinay 10th A3, R. Srikant 10th A3, K. Rahul 10th A2. Runners Pankaj, B. Rajiv 10th A1 captain, M. A. Rahim 9th A1 vice captain, C. K. Gangareddy 10th A2, S. Pranay Teja 10th A1, Y. Sumit 10th A3, M. Nagarjuna 10th A1, G. Hakimuddin 10th A1, P. Vishruth 9th A2, V. Vijay 9th A3. Kho Juniors Girls, Winners Kundan, A. Rajita 10th A2 Captain, P. Anusha 9th A2 Vice Captain, Priyanka Sharma 10th A2, A. Lata 9th A2, Lubna 9th A3, K. Anupriya 9th A1, P. Pranaya 9th A2, G. Nitya Reddy 9th A1, V. Chandrika 10th A2. Runners Champak, C. Kalyani 10th A2 Captain, K. Preeti 9th A1 Vice Captain, K. Lahari 10th A1, Grishma Patel 10th A1, A. Grishma Rani 9th A3, G. Sri Lakshmi 9th A1, M. Shravya 9th A1, G. Nikita 9th A2, K. Nishita 10th A1. Volleyball Sub-Junior Boys, winners Kundan, Syed Azhar 8th A3 Captain, M. Ram 8th A3 Vice Captain, T. Vijay Kumar 6th A2, B. Sudhir 8th A2, Zubair 8th A2, A. Dinesh 8th A2. Runners Pankaj, Volleyball Sub-Junior Girls, winners Pushpak team, C.H. Himabindu 8th A2 Captain, S. Harshini A 7th A2 Vice Captain, K. Priyanka 8th A3, T. Pravalika 7th A2, A. Arunya 8th A1, V. Nisha 8th A2. Runners Champak, K. Manaswini 8th A1 Captain, K. Navina 7th A1 Vice Captain, G. Bhagyalakshmi 7th A1, K. Akhila 8th A1, C.H. Kirtana 8th A2, A. Divya 8th A3. Kabaddi Sub-Junior Boys, winners Pankaj, S. Nareshwar 8th A3 Captain, Umar 7th A3 Vice Captain, O. Pratap 6th A1, A. Ravi 8th A3, M. Lakhan 8th A3, R. Gangapraveen 8th A3, S. Ramesh 8th A2. Runners Pushpak team, Syed Azhar 8th A3 Captain, M. Ram 8th A3 Vice Captain, T. Vijay Kumar 6th A2, Zubair 8th A2, A. Dinesh 8th A2, S. Arun 8th A2, K. Sunil 7th A1. Captain, M. Srujani 7th A2 Vice Captain, G. Vani 7th A1, G. Swapnika 8th A1, D. Rashmika 8th A1, K. Navya 8th A1, A. Divya 7th A3. Runners, Pushpak team. Runners, Pushpak team, E. Suma 8th A1 Captain, C.H. Durganjali 7th A1 Vice Captain, J. Jansi 8th A1, A. Surishma 8th A1, P. Grishma 8th A1, G. Spandana 7th A2, G. Adi Lakshmi 5th A3. Kho-Kho winners jumper, N. Yeshwant 8th A1 Captain, T. Santosh 8th A2 Vice Captain, N. Anish Reddy 8th A1, T. Srikanth 8th A1, C. Pavan 8th A2, G. Manish 8th A2, K. Sai Kumar 7th A2, V. Sivakrishna 8th A2, G. Vinay Kumar 8th A2. Runners, Pushpak, K. Prem Kumar 8th A1 Captain, A. Sai Raj 7th A1 Vice Captain, M. Rahul Rao 6th A2, L. Shashank 8th A1, D. Chetan 8th A2, G. Suman 8th A3, P. Nidush 8th A3, C.H. Vikel 7th A3, M. Saibaz 8th A2. Kho-Kho Sub-Junior Girls, winners Pankaj, C.H. Himabindu 8th A2 Captain, S. Harshini Vice Captain, Priyanka 8th A3, T. Pravalika 7th A2, D. Rudrama 7th A1, D. Anusha 8th A1, V. Nisha 8th A2, A. Lavanya 8th A1, G. Saumya 7th A3. Runners, Pushpak, E. Suma 8th A1 Captain, P. Kavita 7th A3 Vice Captain, C.H. Durganjali 7th A1, J. Jansi 8th A1, A. Surishma 8th A1, G. Spandana 7th A2, C.H. Nishita 8th A2, G. Adi Lakshmi 5th A3, B. Shreya Rani 6th A3. Thank you.
Thank you, madam. Now I request Mr. Ganga Mohan, PET. These prizes for sports and junior and sub-junior.
Good evening, everybody. I request Sri Nayani Paridappa garu give away the prizes. Junior boys, 100 meters. First place, P. Rajesh, 10th class. Second place, M.A. Rahim, 9th class. Third place, B. Raju, 10th class. $400 meters, first place, P. Rajesh, 10th class. Second place, B. Raju, 10th class. Third place, M.A. Rahim, 9th class. $1,500 meters, first place, B. Dilip Kumar, 9th class. Second place, Y. Sritan, 10th class. Third place, S. Pranay Teja, 10th class. Throwing events, shot put. First place, B. Raju, 10th class. Second place, P. Rajesh, 10th class. M.A. Rahim, 9th class. Discus throw, first place, P. Rajesh, 10th class. Second place, B. Satish, 10th class. Third place, C.K. Gangareddy, 10th class.
టీచర్స్ నెక్స్ట్ ప్రైజెస్ మీవే. మీరు ఇప్పుడు చప్పట్లు కొడితే తర్వాత పిల్లలు కొడతారు. అఫ్ కోర్స్ పేరెంట్స్ కూడా ఉన్నారు.
Jumping events, first place, P. Rajesh, 10th class. Second place, B. Rajiv, 10th class. B. Dilip Kumar, 9th class. High jump, first place, P. Rajesh, 10th class. Second place, C.K. Gangareddy, 10th class. Third place, G. Pranit Chandra, 10th class. Shot put, M.D. Shehbaz, first place, 8th class. Second place, S. Nareshwar, 8th class. Third place, B. Ajay Kumar, 8th class. Discus throw, first place, M. Syed Azhar, 8th class. Second place, N. Shravan Kumar, 8th class. Third place, M. Ram, 8th class. Jumping events, high jump. First place, S. Nareshwar, 8th class. Second place, Syed Azhar, 8th class. Third place, S. Ramesh, 8th class. Long jump, first place, Syed Azhar, 8th class. Second place, S. Ramesh, 8th class. Third place, MD Shabaj, 8th class. Junior girls, 100 meters, first place, K. Lahari, 10th heaven. Second place, G. Nikita, 9th class. Third place, A. Mamata, 10th class. 200 meters, first place, A. Mamata, 10th class. Second place, P. Ashrita, 10th class. Third place, G. Nikita, 9th class. 800 meters, A. Mamata, 10th class. Second place, K. Lahari, 10th class. Third place, G. Nikita, 9th class. Jumping event, long jump. First place, P. Ashrita, 10th class. Second place, A. Rajita, 10th class. Third place, K. Lahari, 10th class. High jump, K. Sunanda, 10th class. First place. Second place, A. Rajita, 10th class. Third place, K. Lahari, 10th class. Throwing events, shot put. First place, K. Lahari, 10th class. Second place, A. Rajita, 10th class. Third place, K. Preeti, 9th class. Discus throw. First place, A. Rajita, 10th class. K. Lahari, 10th class, second place. Third place, M. Maunika, 10th class. Sub-junior girls, 100 meters, first place, S. Archini, 7th class. Second place, E. Suma, 8th class. K. Navina, 7th class, third place. Meters, first place, S. Archini, 7th class. Second place, A. Divya, 8th class. Third place, K. Navina, 7th class. Meters, first place, S. Archini, 7th class. Second place, K. Navina, 7th class. Third place, A. Sonia Agarwal, 8th class. Throwing events, shot put, S. Archini, 7th class. Second place, T. Pravalika, 7th class. Third place, K. Manaswini, 8th class. Discus throw. First place, S. Arshini, 7th class. Second place, A. Divya, 8th class. Third place, T. Pravalika, 7th class. Jumping events, first place, S. Arshini, 7th class. Second place, K. Navina, 7th class. Third place, G. Vijay Kumari, 6th class. Long jump, first place, K. Akila, 8th class. Second place, A. Sonia Agarwal, 8th class. Third place, K. Pravalika, 8th class.
Thank you, Manohar.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much. Now I request Mrs. Rekha will read by prizes for mothers, and I request Jackie Garu to give prizes.
Good evening, everybody. I am very happy to announce the prizes for mothers. Children, give them big hands.
Excuse me, sorry for the interruption.
Excuse me, Rekha. The old students have come and they are in the audience. I request all the old students to come and sit in their galleries. And if you have anything to express, please come and meet me. Contact me. Thank you.
March 1st, winners. Mrs. Lavanya, mother of Ramya, second A2. And B. Kusum, mother of Suchitra, 9th A2. And G.S. Sridevi, mother of G.S. Sindhu, second A3. Anuradha, 7th A1, mother of V. Sneha. And D.K. Anu, mother of Sai Kiran, third A1. Saraswati, B. Nikita, mother of B. Nikita, 8th A2. Sunita, 8th A2, mother of B. Sweta. And Archana, N. Sweta Reddy, mother of Sweta Reddy, 8th A1. Udayasri, H. Shirish, 8th A2. R. Vijaya, mother of R. Divya, 10th A1. And G. Pramila, G. Neetu, mother of G. Neetu, 8th A3. G. Vijaya, mother of G. Bharat, 8th A2. P. Vimala, mother of P. Karthik, P. Vimala, mother of P. Karthik, 6th A2. Children, give them big hands. K. Saroja, mother of K. Karthik Reddy, UKG A1. M. Vani, mother of M. Vipanchi, second A2. B. Aruna, mother of Bhumika, second A1. M. Vijay Lakshmi, mother of M. Nitan, 9th A3. D. Shamanta, mother of D. Rahul, 10th A2. S. Saujanya, mother of Suchitra, 4th A1. B. Mamata, mother of B. Vijayalakshmi, 6th A1. Musical chair. First prize goes to Mrs. Lavanya, Miss Madhura Ramya Sri, 2nd A2. Musical chair. Second prize, Mrs. Kamala, mother of Srikanth, 6th A1. Musical chair. First prize, Lavanya, mother of Ramya Sri, 2nd A2. Mrs. Kamala, mother of Srikanth, 6th A1. Now group lucky game. First prize, Sulochana, Mrs. Sulochana, mother of Pranaya Kumari, 9th A2. Second prize, Mrs. Lakshmi, mother of Aarti, 2nd A1. Lucky game winners. Lucky game winners. Aruna, Mrs. Aruna, mother of Sukirti, 4th A1. V. Anu, mother of M. Nitesh, 9th A3. B. Kusum, mother of B. Suchitra, 9th A2. K. Saroja, K. Karthik Reddy, mother of Karthik Reddy, UKG A1. P. Chandrakala, mother of P. Sushmita, 9th A1. G. Sarala, mother of Sai Krishna, 9th A1. D. Parimala, mother of D. Amani, 10th A1. Lucky game winners. S. Gangamani, mother of Sandhya Rani, 7th A2. L. Archana, mother of L. Nakul Reddy, 2nd A2. A. Suvarna, mother of Suprit Reddy, 10th A2. Kusuma, mother of Varshita, 8th class. Runners. Lucky game runners. M. Vani, mother of M. Vipanchi, 2nd A2. K. Varalakshmi, mother of K. Manish, 4th A1. P. Sarupa Rani, mother of Pravalika, 4th A2. N. Manjula, mother of Ashwant, 8th A1. A. Sulochana, mother of A. Rajasri, 9th A1. T. Nagaratna, mother of Kavya, 10th A3. M. Vijayalakshmi, mother of M. Nitin, 9th A3. G. Satya, mother of G. Chanakya, 2nd A3. N. Archana, mother of Anvesh, 5th A1. G. Vijaya, mother of Bharati, 8th A2. R. Suvarna, mother of Kirti, 10th A1. Please children, give them big hands. Winners, throw ball winners. B. Sarojini, captain. B. Shivani, mother of B. Shivani, 1st A2. D. Rama, mother of Rashmita, 8th A1. Throw ball winners. N. Hema, mother of Anish Reddy, 8th A1. R. Sunita, mother of R. Nitin, 5th A2. T. Kasturi, mother of Ashwin Chandra, 4th A1. S. Sujata, mother of Sumalika, 4th A2. K. Vijayalakshmi, mother of K. Preeti, 9th A1. J. Annapurna, mother of J. Abhishek, 8th A2. Satyama, mother of M. Ajit Kumar, 2nd A2. T. Nanda, mother of T. Shirisha, 6th A1. S. Pushpa, mother of S. Pragna, 5th A2. P. Rekha, mother of P. Karishma, 5th A1. Saraswati Subbarao, mother of Shivakartik, UKG A1. K. Kusuma, mother of Vinita, 6th A1. Throwball runners. K. Lakshmi, captain, mother of B. Akhila, 8th A1. B. Sunita, mother of Shravani, 6th A2. T. Pushpa, mother of Sucheta, 7th A2. T. Sunita Devi, mother of Grishma, 8th A1. M. Veena, mother of M. Lasya, 4th A1. M. Shamala, mother of M. Pranay, 4th A1. Children not giving big hands. M. Shamala, M. Pranay, mother of 4th A1, mother. Bharati Rao, M. Archana, mother of M. Archana, 3rd A1. K. Gangamani, mother of K. Anvesh, 9th A3. T. Rupa, mother of T. Prafulla, 8th A2. E. Padma, mother of E. Suhas, UKG A1. K. Trimalata, mother of K. Rajakumari, 3rd A2. Bharati, mother of Dhanush Shetty, 4th A1. Kabaddi winners. Y. Sunita, mother of Sritan, 10th A2. Shobha, mother of Shravani, 6th A3. Bhulakshmi, mother of Ajay Kumar, 9th A3. J. Sharada, mother of Venkatesh, 7th A2. M. Gangotri, mother of Shravya, 10th A1. Razita, mother of Divya, 10th A1. Pushpalata, mother of Darshini, 9th A2. S. Pushpa, mother of Pranay, 8th A2. Winners, Kabaddi winners. Kabaddi runners, be ready. V. Manish, mother of Reshma, 7th A2. P. Aruna, mother of Akhil, 2nd A1. D. Ramadevi, mother of D. Sunita, 2nd A1. Swapna, mother of Mrunal Swarup, 2nd A1. B. Jyoti, mother of Pranita, 10th A1. K. Kalyani, mother of Ananya, UKG A1. T. Anju, mother of Nitusha, UKG A1. G. Bhagyareka, mother of Vinit, 10th A2. Thank you.
Thank you, madam. Now, prizes for teachers, read by Mr. Manohar. And I request Jackie Gar to continue that. పిల్లలు మీరు ఇప్పుడు చప్పట్లు కొట్టబోతే టీచర్లు మిమ్మల్ని కొడతారు.
Good evening, everybody. Games for lady staff volleyball. Winners: Mrs. Kavita Divakar, captain; Mrs. Lily Rao; Mrs. Geeta; Mrs. Zainab; Mrs. Anandavalli; Mrs. Jayalakshmi; Mrs. Reema Nair; Mrs. Teresa; Mrs. Vasanta; Mrs. Karuna; Mrs. Aruna; Mrs. Praveena; Mrs. Bharati Sharma; Mrs. Godavari; Mrs. Priya; Mrs. Rekha Nagendra. Now, runners: Mrs. Sai Lakshmi, captain; Miss Satya, Mrs. Padmini, Mrs. Sujata, Mrs. Bharati, Mrs. S. Jyoti, Mrs. Suvarna, Mrs. Varalakshmi, Mrs. Sangeeta, Mrs. Arogyamma, Mrs. Swapna, Mrs. Anuradha, Miss Pramila, Mrs. Lakshmi, Mrs. Vani, Miss Sarada. Now, gent staff winners, Mr. M. Ganga Mohan, Captain, Mr. Gigi Mohan, Mr. Viresh Reddy, Mr. Pilipos Das, Mr. Srinivas Telugu Pandit, Mr. Bijumon Sebastian, Mr. Savi Joseph, Mr. Ram Singh, Mr. Srinivas Hindi Pandit, Mr. Narsimha Reddy, Mr. Venkatesh. Now, runners, Mr. Rintu, Captain, Mr. Thomas John, Mr. Faustin, Mr. Matai Thomas, Mr. S. Gangadhar, Hindi Pandit, Mr. Gopalakshna, Mr. Salichen, Mr. Ganga Mohan, Telugu Pandit, Mr. Hanmant Reddy, Mr. Boom Reddy, and Mr. Manohar. Now I request all the attenders, please come for receiving their prizes. Volleyball winners, Mr. Amrut Rao, Captain, Gangadhar, Vice Captain, Krishna, Ganesh, Gangadhar Tata, M. Gangadhar, Bhudevi, Rajamma, Chandra.